Hot 105.5 Hometown Heat Battle Recap for Thursday, May the 29th. Going head-to-head for tonight's Hometown Heat Battles was J-Tune versus Young Gundam. Going up first was the challenger for this evening, Young Gundam, with his track entitled Hating on Me.
Big whips, big chains. They talking greats when they say my name. Woo. I know you out here hating on me. I know you out here hating on me. I'm too cool when I make moves. You couldn't live up in my shoes. I know you out here hating on me. I see you out here hating on me.
Versus J-Tune with his track entitled One More Day.
I wish I could see your face one more day. I wish I could hear your voice one more day. Hey, but you can't run when he call your name. Life's a game, but you can't run when he call your name. I wish I could see your face one more day.
You want this for you, baby.
I wish I could hear your voice one more day.
Hey, I ain't forgot about you, homie.
But you
Never
can't
will.
run when he call your name.
Straight up.
Life's a game, but you can't run when he call.
Now let's see who came out on top for this week's Hometown Heat Battles. Hometown Heat Battles, talk to me.
Voting for J-Tune one more day.
Hometown Heat.
I'm going to vote for J-Tune one more day.
Hometown Heat Battles, what's happening?
Voting for J-Tune one more day.
Hometown Heat Battles.
Time to vote for J-Tune one more day.
Hometown Heat Battles, what's good?
What up? I'm trying to vote.
Yeah, go ahead.
I want to vote for that Young Gundam.
Hometown Heat.
Hello?
Hey, what's happening?
I was calling to vote for J-Tune one more day.
Hometown Heat.
Yeah. One more day, J-Tune.
Hometown Heat Battles.
One more day, J-Tune.
Hometown Heat, what's good?
Hey, I want to vote for that Young Gundam. Hating on me. Hot.
Hometown Heat.
I was calling to vote for J-Tune one more day.
Hometown Heat Battles.
Yeah, I was calling for Young Gundam.
Hometown Heat.
Hey, I want to vote for the Young Gundam.
Hometown Heat Battles.
One more day, J-Tune.
Hometown Heat Battles.
I was calling for J-Tune.
Hometown Heat Battles.
I want to vote for Young Gundam.
Hometown Heat.
One more day, J-Tune.
Hometown Heat Battles.
I want to vote on that hating on me.
Hometown Heat Battles.
I was calling for One More Day by J-Tune.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tonight's winner for the Hometown Heat Battles goes to J-Tune. Congratulations, you have made it through your third week of the Hot 105.5 Hometown Heat Battles. And big shout out, gotta give a big shout out to the challenger for this evening, Young Gundam, for definitely holding it down and having a hot track as well. Make sure you look out for him. Make sure you tune in as well. Next Thursday and every Thursday night at 11 o'clock on the dot is your time to shine. For all my local artists out there, make sure you submit your music, edited, mixed, and mastered, and radio friendly. And Hometown Heat Battles will be in full effect